whoever gets this car is gonna be a lucky person. 9,000 miles. They don't make them like this anymore. Another one of these cheap beasts. This is a Jaguar F-Type 2017. It's an F-Type R, so we got that supercharged V8 engine with 9,000 miles. It just came from New Mexico, so it's a little dirty. See right here, all-wheel drive, F-Type R. Listen to that engine. See, you know, Jaguar, if you know about their rebrand, they got all liberal on us, but this car's almost 10 years old now, which is insane. But look at it. Look at it. For 50 grand, you're coming home with a beast of a car. 9,000 miles. Check out this interior. They don't make them like this anymore. A lot of the newer ones are like 4 cylinders and 6 cylinders, and also more expensive, or just as expensive. But with 9,000 miles, you could drive this thing a lot, and it won't lose that much value. Now listen to this thing. That thing sounds sick. I don't know. There's not a lot of cars you can get for this type of value for $50,000. I'll make another video when it's all detailed. But whoever gets this car is going to be a lucky person. Also, check out this British Racing Green. We didn't even talk about the color. Look at this color. It's perfect. It's got full PPF as well. Beast of a car. I know this thing's going to sell. We already had 3 inquiries on it. I haven't even put pictures on the website yet.